Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Fun Time with Quinta. So just go for our YouTube channel and subscribe us and then comment us, like us and then share our videos also. So I hope that now you all wondering just what I will do. Today I'm not traveling, so today I'm gonna tell you how to make waffles. So let's go to make waffles. How to make waffles, I have to say there are some varieties in this waffle. So there are some spicy waffles, sweet waffles, and then sandwiches also there. So today I'm gonna explain you how to make sweet waffles. So let's make, and then first I will say the ingredients. So first we need flour, 300 grams, and then baking powder, salt, sugar, 2 eggs, and then butter and fresh milk, or you can just take milk powder also. So the first step is to put all the dry ingredients to this. So first I'm gonna put a baking powder, not much because you need to put some like this, and then some salt, and then you need to put sugar like 2 tablespoons. Okay, now you need to mix all the things. First the dry ingredients, so after mixing just mix this. So now I have been mixed this all. Then you need to put some now 2 eggs. Okay, first you just make like this, and then put this 2 eggs for middle of that one. You can beat or you can mix. So slowly you want to mix first with the spoon. I'm going to put this butter, and also you can melt this butter and put into it, and you need to keep this butter in the room temperature. So after I'm putting it, butter, you need to take the milk powder, fresh milk. Not that means you need to put little by little for this. That means first you need to put like this. So guys, now I have been finished mix this all the ingredients, and there is one ingredient hard to put, so that is vanilla. So you can put as you want some vanilla. Get the smell, some vanilla flavor, and then you need to mix that one also with this mixture. So now our mixture is ready. So now you can put this into the waffle machine. So this is the waffle machine. First you need to keep like 1 minute or 2 minutes to be heat. Then only you need to put this mixture into this waffle machine. Oh, the light is still red color, so you need to come like green color for here. So you need to be until it comes for green color. So and I have to say something that I'm not gonna put in butter into this, but if you like you can put because all the machines are not same. So sometimes some machines like will be sticky when you are putting the waffle, and it will be stick into this machine. So you can put some butter. So I think now it have been heat. So let's put it. So you need to put like this way to this waffle machine. like sweet things like chocolate syrup, chocolate ganache, then chocolate topping, then honey, then whipping cream, anything you can put. And also you can make sandwiches without putting sugar, and you can make this waffle and you can keep a salad leaf. Then something you can make a sandwich by putting cheese and everything. So today I'm going to make a sweet one. So now I'm going to put the chocolate ganache. So you can make the chocolate ganache in home also by taking cooking chocolate, and you can double boil it by putting butter. And then now I'm going to put this way. You can put chocolate ganache into the waffles. Not only chocolate ganache, you can put chocolate syrup, then chocolate topping or honey, then